All right, so another optional accessory you can get for the 440 HD, and this you can also get this for the IQ-7000, is an armrest extension kit. Basically what it does is it will extend the armrest out to give you more of a seating area. Now on the 440 HD, this supports up to 440 pounds, and standard, the seat width is slightly over 20 inches. Distance between the armrests, it's almost 20.5 inches. So there's two options. You can get one that will extend each side by 1.2 inches, or you can get one that will extend each side by 2 inches. We're going to do the 2 inches and get the measurement of what it is with distance between the armrests, and I'm going to show you how to install it. It's really easy. So we'll go to one side of the joystick, or I'm sorry, one side of the chair. I'm going to power it off, and I'm also going to disconnect the joystick as well. I'll take that off. Now, each ComfyGo chair comes with a set of tools. There is an Allen key that will fit into here. So what you need to do is take this off and take this off. So I'm going to do that now. You take that one off. So now we got both of these bolts out, and this should pop right off. All right, so we got that off. Now it's going to be kind of connected here to this remote, or to this wiring. There's a Velcro latch. I can keep it on, but it's fine to sit there for now. So in this kit, we have new bolts, which are longer to fit this. So it's going to be 2 on each side. All right, so next I'm going to get these pieces and stick them in just like this. And it's a matter of lining these up. Put this ring through here if you want to keep the pouch on. You have these little caps. So you got the long screw, we got the extender, you got this little cap. So we're going to put the cap in. Now once I've done that, now I can put these in. You can just kind of screw it in by hand at the beginning. All right, so we got the top one screwed in. Bottom one, you need to finish that. All right, so now we got one side in. Let me put the joystick back on. Tighten that in. Attach it to the power supply. Now let's turn around, we'll get the other side. And get the other one. There we go. Now we're going to install these extenders. And after you do that, you gotta put the armrest back on. You want to keep the side arm bags. You take this little cap, put it through the long screw. Same thing. Now let's tighten these. All right, now we got them installed. So let's get a measurement now, the distance between the armrests. So I think before I said 20.5 inches. So now it's an on distance between the armrest is about 24.5 inches. Now it is going to increase the total width of the chair. So outside of armrest to outside of armrest is going to be your widest point. It increases the total width to 29 inches, slightly over 29 inches. So it's something to be aware of. But now you can see, and for reference, I weigh 235. You can see I've got plenty of space, and I can sit on one side. I got like 6 to 8 inches. So it definitely makes a big difference. And a lot of people that are buying this chair definitely get the armrest extenders. So that's how you install them. Pretty simple. Let us know if you have any questions.